Hey Joel, it's James out of Burtness Chevrolet in Orfordville, Wisconsin. I know you're not exactly next door, so hopefully this video can help. Just got this trade-in and I put it on the lot 2 days ago. It's a 2020 Carfax clean, no reported accidents. It shows us 2 owners. It's only got just over 13,000 miles. Good color combination. I love the black rims with the white. Bed liner, sliding rear window. Seats are immaculate. No rips or stains or tears. Get the floor mats that are easy to clean. And then the little specks are raindrops because I just opened the door. But again, the drivers, this is where most, the wear would be in. And there's no wear whatsoever. Would love to have you come test drive it, but that might not be possible. We do ship vehicles, and we can talk about that. It's a really weird time if you're buying a vehicle. I'm sure you've been looking, and probably why you reached out to us way over here in Wisconsin. But it's got the remaining factory warranty, and I mean, absolutely gently used that we can tell. So if you have questions, please get a hold of Heather. You've got her email address. My direct line is 608-921-8001. Have a great day.